Don't tell him.
Call it ASMR potato chip. Ooh. Hello?
Okay, what's going on here?
Uh-oh.
Don't let him hit the bottom. What are you doing, Indy? I haven't seen you online very much lately.
It's streaming.
Oh. He hasn't been on for like the last couple days. I figured his fiance had him doing something.
Well, we've lost all our balls. We got one ball left.
Story of my life, one ball. Come watch me eat desserts on OnlyFans. What the hell is this?
Wait, do we have to keep going across?
I think so.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we fucked up so hard.
Bro, there's only one ball. That's the last ball we got. Save the ball.
Get it, Crayon! Ha! Cha! Headbutt!
Oh. Okay.
Right the way, Sushi! Oh my lord, snacks.
Okay.
So don't let it hit the ground if we don't have to, because we don't need to break the ground, right?
No, just the sides. Shit. Why are they all coming for me? You son of a bitch.
How you doing, Ash? Good to see you. Just playing some Pico Park with you.
Move this way.
Ty said, that sounds like a hawk Ty thing he would say.
I don't think it's any bullshit.
Chat.
Why me? Go away from me.
There is no coordination to this. This is literally just chaos.
Oh my god.
We have 2 balls.
Why don't we make a shield? We can all be a shield.
The shield wasn't the strat.
How about you, Ash? How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you're having a good day, good night, whatever the case. Maybe you just woke up. I don't know.
Not the ball.
I love this game so much. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It can definitely be rage-inducing, that's for sure. Oh god.
Oh, I'd die. Fuck it. I want to go to hell because I'm a piece of shit. It ain't hard to fucking tell. It don't make sense. Go in heaven with the goody. Goody's dressed in white.
You have 1 ball
I
left
like
to
black
lose it.
Tims and black hoodies. God'll probably have me on some real strict shit. No sleeping.
We just need that one little gap. That one gap. Oh my.
I thought playing with balls would have been the game for you guys.
You thought playing with balls would have been the game for us? Thanks, Ship. Appreciate you. That's what Ship just said.
Because they're not shipping it as balls. Yeah. Way. That way. That way. That way. Fuck. That way.
I'm over here having to headbutt. Oh god dang it. Mama.
It's good. It's good.
That's the last one.
Oh, shit.
Mama can't get past this block.
We just watch it.
We can do.
Hey everyone, it's Jumpman here, one of your resident mods. If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow the Twitch link for live action.
Okay, wait, stop. I have an idea. Okay, what if you just like hit him straight? Can you hit him straight?
Oh, I know, right? It's so adorable.
Ha!
Oh, nope. There it goes.
It didn't work.
What if we hit one at a time?
Well, I meant like hit him forward instead.
I mean, these guys, you apparently love hitting on balls all at once.
What did you just say to us?
All the balls all at once.
We only play with balls in our mouth, thank you.
Oh, wow.
Nah.
I didn't even say it.
Sorry, I'm a bit tongue-tied here. Can't
So-
really say.
Oh, Jesus.
Just could you imagine this with this many more people? Like, oh my god.
I don't even want to imagine it with more
I
people.
want to
This
play
would
with
be
so many more
insane.
people. No! Alright, we just gotta get the small part. Defend the ground.
Here we go.
I'm trying to go that way. There we go.
Yeah.
Or
No!
not. Alright.
No! Save it,
Yeah,
crayons! We can't get up!
Oh, well.
Shit!
The way we all look at each other like, oof.
Yep. Stop hitting them all at once. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Look, Sushi, we see this many balls and we get too excited. Just let us live our life.
No.
My
Be smart
ADHD even
about your
forgets what
balls.
color
Just because
I
you
am.
get to see 2 balls in one sitting doesn't mean the rest of us do, okay?
Just because I gotta be smart with my balls doesn't mean I just gotta throw them around.
We've never been taught to be smart with our balls. We just do whatever we desire with.
Honestly, if I hit a ball, I'd be like, helicopter, helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Time of my life.
Count the 2 balls again. Get.
Save that one. Save that one. Yeah. Oh boy.
Okay, jump and move it.
1, 2,
No.
up.
Fuck.
Be very smart with your balls.
Just use one. What?
I mean, it's gonna take forever. You're gonna at least.
All right, fuck it.
Not the. Oh my god. I said 2, not 7.
I can only count to 1. That's all I can promise you.
I didn't know color blindness also caused people to not.
What? That's just being stupid. It's different. And then... Fuck, dude.
And I would just play with mine over here. Because fuck you guys.
Sorry, somehow it's become the anchor back there that has to hold us together.
No!
Pop it!
We're almost done. Just let it do its thing. Just let it do its thing. Just oh my.
No!
We got it.
Please.
Yep. All right.
My God.
See, Cray is really smart with her balls. She's very smart. Oh no, never mind. Well.
You jinxed me.
Crayons is great with her balls. She does such a good job. Drops the ball. Don't worry, I got this. I got this. I got this. Break the wall. Look, let's be honest. We're only gonna end with 1 anyway. We might as well just get what we can out of it.
Please. Oh. Wee. 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 Wee.
All right, start moving in. We've got 3 of them in this vicinity. 4 of them. They're hitting the bottom over here.
And they're all gone.
So she wouldn't know what that means.
Wait, what?
I said they're hitting bottom over here. You wouldn't know what that means.
Oh, I know what that means. It's fine. I don't know about what it means either.
You know?
Go.
Except for if
Go.
he's playing only up.
Mall fuck. We got
You
one
keep
ball
getting
left.
me and Sushi back. I missed.
It's gone.
Do
It's
it.
gone.
It's gone. No faith. Snacks. Snacks. Oh my god. Run like you've never. Sushi. Oof. I like
Yes.
how you guys in the chat are not helpful at all. No suggestions? Just oofs and ha 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 and Ellen Mayo. Break the blocks.
The
Thank you.
models.
Thank you, Dis. I'm so glad that that's what you contributed. I complained about all the other things. Dude goes,
What?
break the blocks.
We didn't even break any of these blocks. We didn't break a single wall.
We have a ball left.
Right?
No!
Damn.
I can't do this. My face hurts. Oh.
Beatty, you literally sunk all 4 of those.
No one else is moving! I keep looking over at you on your camera, like on your screen, like it's gonna make a difference every time I look at you. Sushi and fucking crayons just stand there and he snaps like boing, boing, boing. Sushi, we can see,
Get in the
we
hole.
can literally see the disappointment in your pixel character. We're gonna need you to contribute.
Think like a female
Wait,
and find it.
He's
God
just
damn it.
standing there like I'm done. Oh god.
No.
Wow. We're out of balls, man. Who would have thought?
Hey Jim, did you want to download this game? We can play with 10 people tomorrow.
Oh my god.
We gotta play this.
Be carried.
We're trapped. Or at least I'm
Uh-oh.
trapped. Good luck. Oh,
No.
oh, oh, going long.
No, I'm stuck. Oh, you guys. You gotta break one of these blocks. I like this on crayons. Yes!
Hiya!
Oh, I did a
Oh, fuck.
bad choice. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Mm,
Get it!
nope.
No!
There needs to be
Whose
like a
idea
boost.
was it to play this game?
Yours?
No, it was not
I mean,
mine. It was Schnack's. No. Just because I found the squad does not mean that it was my idea.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was in the middle of playing only up, and then you're like, "Hey, you want to play Pico Park?" And I'm like, sure."
It's so much better for your blood pressure. And Frown immediately goes, yep, you guys aren't going to be friends by the time you're done.
That's literally the title of the game when I watched it.
What?
Was we'll see how long you keep your friends for. It's still in there! Get it!
I would love to play this with Sean and Coda.
Okay.
And JC. Could you imagine playing with JC?
Come on, last one.
Oh, I fucked
Oh
up.
my
I hit it
gosh.
backwards.
Oh
That's
my
okay.
Get
That's
it!
No!
Oh,
One more.
no.
Die! Fuck! We had one more block to go.
3.
Yikes.
What you mean, yikes? What'd you say, Coda?
Uh-oh.
You're like the worst at that.
What do you mean we're like the worst at this? I'm sure people have had a harder time. We should play
Yeah,
Monopoly
well-
and see if that ruins our friendship next. No, I'm just kidding.
We should play the game of life.
The game of life? You mean like the fucking board game?
Yeah, they have it on Steam.
I'm down. Yeah.
Me too.
Ball's coming back.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Shit.
Yeah.
Oh, at least I can climb now.
There's one ball left. I'm in great.
You got mine. It's hilarious. Fuck it. Balls everywhere.
I couldn't open my
you know
turn
what?
on
I'm
this
gonna eat
game
the
if
rest
I
of
was
my,
playing.
my pizza.
Balls. Balls.
Yeah, you just stand there like a peg. Just move when we need you to move.
I will.
Shh. Shut!
We good. We good. Grab it. Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Grants! Stop! Fuck!
We good. We good.
We're literally playing fetch in a video game.
Good girl.
Oh.
Get the ball. Get the ball. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
There's another one. There's another one.
Where'd it go?
Get it! Get it!
Well,
Crayons, jump up.
mhm.
Well, Dish, you'll have to get and play with us because, 10 people. I got this. I got this. I got this. This the ball. This the ball. Follow the ball.
Balls it.
It's this one.
I'm just picking corners.
Move! Leave the other ones behind. Just get the one moving in the right direction.
Oh shit.
We can't see the end of the map. Snacks, what are you doing? Just follow the front one. Go, 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 go. Hurry, 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 hurry. Yes!
Oh my
Thank you,
god.
sweetie. I'm sorry.
See?
Thank you, Omni, for the stretch, because, oh my god.
I think I've had enough balls for one day.
No,